Hey guys, today I'm back with part 3 of our Lawn Fawn Lovers collaboration, and the theme for March is spring. It's been a couple weeks since I've done any videos. I've been sick, a chest cold, almost losing my voice. So for today's video, I'm not going to be doing a voiceover. I'm just going to show you quickly what I'm going to be using, because if I talk for any period of time, I start coughing. So, but I'll just show you what I'm going to use. Then I will do the video, and I'll just play music while I show you what I do. So I'll go ahead and get started with this real quick. The stamp set I'll be using is the Lawn Fawn How You Been. And I'm going to be using the Happy Easter sentiment for that, for the card. The little jar. And I also just recently got this shaker card add-on. So I'm going to be using that because I'm going to make a shaker card. I'll also be using these stitched rectangle dies from Lawn Fawn. The Perfectly Plaid rainbow paper pad. Very pretty plaids in there. And for my shaker, I'm going to be using these Doodlebug flower sequins. Really, really cute. So, okay, I'll go ahead and get started. And if you have any questions about anything I do or anything, just leave a message down below. Leave a comment below. I apologize for not being able to do the voiceover, but I know my voice will not hold out that long. So, hopefully I'll be back on the mend here pretty soon, and we'll be back with more videos. A lot of my things that I planned on doing in March just did not happen. So hopefully April will be better and I can get back on track and get a lot more content out there for you. So anyway, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you soon.